No way.
I'm gonna put your ass in the truck on take you out.
I ain't no rookie, man.
Yeah.
Right back.
My dog, man.
Hey, that's going on the tube.
What? Yeah.
Missing on who? Man, let me get on the 450. I'll smack you out the light right now. What? We go to the light right now. We can go to the light right now. You're not gonna catch me. Damn sure ain't catching this. What? I'm telling you, I'm gonna spray on. Real like, how both of y'all talking? I talk both of y'all. Yeah, you talk both of us, but we still gonna beat the shit out of you. You see how you jumped out that live light? That shit easy. I was fucking around. I'm still trying to find it. Yeah, alright. If I can adjust it how I want, get on any bike right now. If I adjust it how I want, man, I gas on this shit. Yeah, man.
Man, you all bark, no bite, man.
Huh?
You all bark, no bite.
Who?
You.
You can't hit me out the hole. He can't hit me out the hole. Now one of them can hit me out the hole. I'll probably give it to him. I don't know though, but I don't even think he got it. Hey, that's going on the tube?
Yeah.
Hey man, hey, if it wasn't for him, Miami Skeet wouldn't be Miami Skeet today. He taught on the ropes, but that catwalk is he learned on himself. That's on catwalk, he said. 6 a.m. boys.
Guess who taught me though?
Who?
Guess who I was riding with then?
Who? After?
No, what you mean?
Huh?
I was down.
Oh, so you were getting sent home too with them baddie boys?
Nah.
He talking about that. We been with posting a battle ever since I made you drop out there by the hard rock, but you been ducking me. I ducked you.
I was ducking you.
Yeah, I ducked me too.
Whoa! He's so mad. What are you mad about?
They got a 25.
Huh?
Fuck the car, you just wrecked my car. Shit, you want to do collateral, that's like mine. How you feel?
Please stop calling my government name.
Hey, Bob. Hey, we going over there.
Come on.
Get the food. Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, we flooded this shit with bikes.
Man, you know what? Hot. It was spicy. You know, I know it.
Everything on ski today.
Yes, Lord. I heard you got that black card. Fuck it. Let's use your Yamaha card.
I got a Yamaha card.
You know I got a Yamaha. You got one. Taking your bike for free. Just telling you.
I think it took armor.
Y'all see that? Y'all see that? 225. Hey, at the next light, hop on the 450 for the one time. We just whole shot. Just to see. Just to see.
I ain't no rookie, man.
No, I don't think you're a rookie at all. I'm saying.
I just want to let you know that, man. Don't underestimate the cool.
I'm not underestimating. I'm okay with losing, as long as I learn. Damn, that shit's so hard.
Yeah.
He in the lack with that bait. You so I can see, yeah.
That shit come out so slow.
That's that.
No. Back in the day.
It is.
That nigga in a real spaceship. Nah. Oh, he hard. Go ahead, go ahead. She was on the phone with a nigga. Going back. He said thank you.
You welcome. Come for that number exchange.
Gotta go.
That's what I'm talking about. That's why he's there.
My dog, man.
That's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT.
Wingman of the year.
You gotta record for this. When spin around, come down 12 and land over there.
Go ahead. I'll be right here on me. Shit. Oh yeah?
He went back there.
The sniper.
She wanna come on the big dog. She wanna get on the big dog.
Oh. Oh.
Respectfully, you cute now, but like, nah, bruh. Like, bruh, my girl gotta get off that bike, bruh.
Come on, that's some immature ass shit.
My girl gotta get off that bike, bruh.
My friends go hard. My friends go hard. You go hard. She's a psychopath.
Dog, look at your plastic, dog.
Yo!
Yo,
Me bumba clock, them a dead. Get this.
yo, she took the screw out.
Oh, she's like, they have helmets.
We're gonna go down south a little.
You going down south?
Mm.
Alright.
That's fine.
Damn. A drink.
Go drop the quarter of a drink, man.
Nicole. Yo. Come here. Wanna be in my vlog?
Huh?
Wanna be in my vlog?
Nah, I'm camera shy.
You camera shy?
Camera shy.
I'm camera shy too.
Nah, if you doing a vlog, you ain't camera shy.
Nah, I'm learning.
You better not try.
Shy.
Wanna ride you? No, he wanna ride.
Alright, love.
See, show out right quick.
Hey, you outside? Nah.
I came back. I'm like, let me put this shit, bro. I don't wanna play. You keep, I ain't gonna lie, you make this shit.
Hola.
What's their problem? I know, man.
Fucking gas, man.
Fuck with him.
Let's have a conversation. Talk about it. Yo, Ski, no way. How y'all keep finding us? Any space, friend? They is not fucking with you.
All right, stay goofy.
Fuck!
It's too late.
Fuck!
Huh?
Fuck!
But let's go.
Come on. Y'all following us?
I ain't gonna let it keep
Nah, I'm playing with you. Come on.
All gotta go on tape. Roll gotta go on tape. Good. Ah. 28 a.m. What's going on?
Your ass be loud.
This shit serious. This shit serious. Let her ride it. She wanna ride. Oh, ride my bike. Ride my bike.
Don't play with me. You better take care of her. I'm not playing with you, bitch. You
If
better
you get on there, you drunk. Don't get on there.
He not drunk. I did it before when I was drunk.
But don't get on there.
But my thing is, if you go to you gotta ride. I'm gonna put your ass in the trunk on and take you out.
There it is.
Get in the front. He got you. He not drunk or nothing.
You get in the front.
Go, kid.
That's the safest way.
Stuff like that.
Put your legs up.
That's this bitch. She can jinx it.
Give me your key. Give me your.
I'm not a camera.
Give me
Put your legs up here.
You gotta have to go to your house. Just hospital or the morgue. King, hold the phone with me. AJ, please.
Go ahead, AJ, ride the girl, bro.
Why you can't ride her?
Man, I don't even know how to ride nobody.
Let me ride myself. No.
Hey! No, he'll let you ride by yourself on that.
Jumbo, please. Hey, Jumbo.
Yeah.
Late.
Hey, let her ride, Jumbo.
Go ahead, no?
Oh no, you see, you don't trust. I'm telling you, I just want to think I want to do is just ride around the pool and come back. I don't want no trees.
Quiet, quiet. Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody, boy. Tell him. Don't tell nobody about that little you understand? What that shit doing?
That shit.
I bet you can hit the launch control.
Yeah, that's the launch control.
Purple.
Yeah, in the map.
Hit it.
It's what?
AJ still got it now. Don't sleep on him. Still got it now. Let's go. Come on, yo. Can't hold him down.